Assalamu alaikum dear students. We are continuing the topic over here, that is mechanism of breathing. Breathing involves two basic steps. Number 1 is inspiration and number 2 is expiration. First of all, we will study the definitions of inspiration as well as expiration. Definition starts from here. During inspiration, the rib muscles contract and ribs are raised. At the same time, the dome-shaped diaphragm contracts and is lowered. This is the brief definition of inspiration, or in other words, inhalation. Second question on this page is, what does happen during inspiration? So answer starts from here and it ends over here. Then define expiration or exhalation. After the gaseous exchange in lungs, the impure air is expelled out in exhalation. The rib muscles relax, bringing the ribs back to the original position. Moving towards the important MCQs. First MCQ is taken from the definition of inspiration. During inspiration, the lungs expand and the air pressure within them also decreases. Secondly, the diaphragm muscles also relax during expiration or exhalation and it gets its raised dome shape. So we are continuing the topic expiration or exhalation. MCQ from this page include the first one. Humans breathe 16 to 20 times per minute in normal circumstances, that is at rest. The next MCQ involves the rate of breathing is controlled by the respiratory center in the brain. Another MCQ involves the respiratory center is sensitive to the concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood. The last MCQ on this page include, during exercise or other hard physical works, the breathing rate may increase up to 30 to 40 times per minute. This page only includes some of the MCQs as I have discussed already. Next, our last topic is comparison between the inspired and expired air. This can be asked in the form of short question as give comparison between inspired and expired air. And also MCQs in this perspective can be asked like amount of oxygen in inspired air is 21% and in expired air is 16%. Likewise, amount of carbon dioxide in expired air is 0.04% and in expired air is 4% only. Then, which gas is present in same amount in inspired as well as in expired air? That is nitrogen. Likewise, amount of water vapors and dust particles are variable or saturated in inspired and expired air. Then they also can ask about the temperature in inspired and expired air. Temperature is variable in inspired air and its amount is almost equal to body temperature in expired air. So students, it was the last topic. Okay students, thank you.